Hi students, you are welcome to our SSV Excellence Coaching class. Today we are going to see the 9th class science matter in our surroundings. Okay, so let us understand what is meant by matter. See, matter, as we look at our surroundings, we see a large variety of things with different shape, sizes and textures. So this one we call it's a matter. See, everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named them as matter. Okay, see, the air we breathe, the food we eat, stones, clouds, stars, planets and animals, even a small drop of water or a particles of sand, everything is matter. So matter we can see in almost all materials in this universe. See, we can also see as we look around that all things mentioned above occupy space and have mass. So in other words, they have both mass and volume. Okay, early Indian philosophers classified matter in the form of five basic elements: the Panchatattva, air, earth, fire, sky and water. According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of these five basic elements, that is the air, earth, fire and water and sky. According to them, everything living or non-living was made up of these five basic elements. Ancient Greek philosophers had arrived at a similar classification of matter. Modern day scientists have evolved two types of classification of matter based on their physical properties and the chemical nature. Now let us understand 1.1 physical nature of matter. What do you mean by physical nature? See, how does the matter look like? Okay, here 1.1.1, matter is made up of small particles, they are saying. For a long time, two schools of thought prevailed regarding the nature of matter. One school believed matter to be continuous like a block of wood, whereas the other school thought that matter was made up of particles like a sand. So these were the two discussions in the earlier days. So to understand this, let us take one activity 1.1. So in this activity, take a 100 ml beaker, fill half the beaker with water, mark the level of the water, dissolve some salt or sugar with the help of a glass rod, observe and a change in water level. What do you think has happened to the salt or sugar? Where does it disappear? Does the level of water change? See, as we stirred the water, in the water, sugar or salt, it will be disappearing. See, in order to answer these questions, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. What was there in the spoon or sugar, salt, has now spread throughout the water. So here you can see the particles of water magnified million times it is. First we are adding water and salt here, and when you are stirring, these two will mix up, and here you can see it is a magnified one. How much it is? Magnified means what? It is seen through the lens or microscope, we can say. See, when we dissolve salt or sugar in water, the particles of salt get into space between particles of the water. Okay, so this much we have understood. We'll see in the next class. Thank you. Welcome. Please share this message to your friends.